I'm ready to make a template of my sidewalls, and I've got a piece of CDX. It's a 1/2 inch thick. It's pretty heavy, but I had it at home and it's free. So what I'm going to do is it's going to be the front top here on this corner here. So I'm going to round that off, and also I'm going to round this off right here to be the back. So and what I'm doing is just measuring over where I want to point and over again where I want to point, length and width, and I'm doing the same thing, length and width, and then I'm drawing that with a pencil, just scribing that around with a straight edge. So as you'll see, you get the idea what I'm doing. Okay, there's my template for my walls, and I've went ahead and sanded those so they'll be nice and smooth. So I'll just lay this template on my 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch pieces of wall, and I can just route it flush with a router and get a perfect copy of my walls using this pattern. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. And what I'm going to do now is to line up my 1/2 inch walls, inside walls. So I can use this as a pattern, and I'm going to get my router and route out the wall to be the exact same as my pattern. So I'm going to be doing 2 of these. I got 2 1/2 inch inside walls, and I've got the 2 1/4 inch outside walls that I'll put my PMF on the outside. So I'll do that. And one thing that I just wanted to mention is that even though I'm breaking these videos down into different parts, build parts, I'm actually working in parallel, doing a lot of other things. So right now I'm actually painting my floor, and in the previous video you'll see me finish that and actually put it on my trailer. But you know, I just let you know that I do things in parallel too, to kind of speed the build up. So I'm going to go ahead and get one of these walls routed out. my 2 1/2-inch inside walls done. Let's go ahead and make the outside walls. To make sure that all the inside walls and outside walls are exactly the same, I've got them stacked. I've got the 2 1/2-inch on the bottom and the 2 1/4-inch on top. And then I'm going to go with my belt sander and go around the outside and just smooth everything out so I won't have anything, no indentations, and make sure everything is even all the way around. That's sanded, the edge is sanded. Probably can't see in the sun and the light, but any nicks and anything I got taken out, so that looks good all the way around. So, and again, I know I'm talking about an outside wall and an inside wall, but just for a brief explanation, the 1/4-inch plywood is going to be the outside of my wall. That's where I'm going to put the PMF on and then paint this side. The 1/4-inch is, I'm sorry, the 1/2-inch will actually be the inside of the wall, and the grain on the inside, I'm going to actually just varnish it. So that's the difference. So I've got, all the walls are the same now, so I can go ahead and move forward. Okay, what I've decided to do is to go ahead and cut out the holes for my doors before I put them on the trailer. And I actually got my doors this morning. Well, they're actually replacement doors. The doors I received first was damaged in transit, and I called the manufacturer up, Vintage Technologies, and they really got my new doors to me super fast within like 4 business days. So that was great. So I'm not behind schedule whatsoever. So what I'm doing right now is just measuring out where I want the doors to be at, and I'm going to cut the holes out. Okay, I've got both walls put up, and I just want to do a walk around to show you what it looks like. It's starting to take shape now. This is the driver's wall on this side, of course, and the passenger wall here. And I've got some supports here to keep it as square to the floor as possible until I permanently mount the ceiling. So this is going to be it for this part. And the next part, I'll go back here and show you what I'm going to be doing on the next part. This is where the galley in the back's going to be at. I'm going to have a hatch that pulls up here, and I'm going to start putting in the hatch cabinetry in the back here. So I'll be working on that next, and also probably there's a little bitty cabinet I want to put in the front of the camper right there, and I'll probably get those done in probably the next build video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next build video. Thank you.